Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you why, if you are an affiliate marketer, why you should have a YouTube channel. All right, so I'm going to get straight into it. We all know how big YouTube is, right? And we all know that a lot of people are making money from YouTube and primarily, using YouTube ads, right? We all know that. But as an affiliate marketer, the earning potential on YouTube is way bigger than what you could make from even YouTube ads, right? Because I want you to look at it like this. In most affiliate marketing situations, right, you're going to get what? A $10 commission, up to $1,000 commission, right? Depending on what niche you're in, depending on what you're promoting, right? So the main reason why I say affiliate marketers should be on YouTube is because you are only one video away from changing your financial life. Think about that, right? So you might be thinking like, what you mean one video? I just gotta post one video? Hell no. What I'm saying is, if you on YouTube, right, and you're grinding, you're posting consistently, even if you're just getting started, even if you only do one video a week, it's all good. That's the start, as long as you're consistent, right? Now, if you can do 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week, great, right? That just increases your odds of being successful, right? But just imagine, you're doing your videos consistent, right? And just say, for example, your commissions could be, just say $100, right? Whatever you're promoting, you get $100 commission. So just imagine, right? You're doing your videos and you're getting 50 views on this video. Oh, this video got you 200 views. Oh, this video, it sucked. It got you 10 views, right? But just imagine that one video that just happened to go viral for whatever reason, right? And that video got you 100,000 views. Just imagine 100,000 views, right? And 1%, only 1% of those viewers actually was like, damn, okay, let me check out this affiliate, this product they talking about, right? 1% got it at $100 commissions. What's that, right? That would be, if 1% bought out of 100,000, wouldn't that be $10,000? Help me out. 1% of 100,000. I think that's right. If it's not, comment below, call me dumb, and keep it moving. But I'm pretty sure, like at 1% at that, you will be earning $10,000 off of that video. Just think about that for a second, right? And just imagine if 5% of your viewers actually bought that affiliate product. Look at the money you can make. Or just imagine that video got 500,000 views and 5% of people bought it. Like, you get what I'm saying. That one video could change everything. So imagine if you had 2 or 3 of those videos that pop off like that in a year, right? Think about that. In a year time frame, imagine it only took you 2 to 3 very successful videos to make crazy money. All right, so it's like very rare. There's not too many other platforms that can do that and be that impactful and quick, right? And that is when people always say, like, you can't get rich overnight. And yes, ultimately that is true, but YouTube actually gives you that little chance to actually do that. Like, it really does. Because, like, if I'm promoting a product, right, and it goes viral and I'm getting, like I said, a $10 commission, and I make a video that has 1 million views, right, and 10,000 people bought whatever I was promoting, right? What's 10,000 times 10? What's that? $100,000, right? I could have made off one video that that happened in a week. Just imagine if a video went viral in a week. That's $100,000. Now you can say whatever you want. Oh, that's unrealistic. No, it ain't. That's how a lot of these people, a lot of these affiliate marketers, they all don't be lying, right? There are some serious marketers out here that really do make $10,000 a month. They really do make $50,000 a month. That is real, right? And a lot of it comes from YouTube, right? So I highly suggest, no matter what niche you're in, it don't matter, whatever other platforms you're using, you can do that. But I really would look at YouTube, because you got to remember, you are only one video away from changing your whole financial landscape, right? Just realize it is super possible. That's why I grind all the time, because I know I'm only one damn video away. Now, if you want to get more affiliate marketing training and be able to earn $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, you want to watch this video right here.